all, welcome back to Excel Skill. Here I have the data set of the code, product and the sales. Now in order to search here, I have to give a product, for example RAM. I want to know the RAM sales details. So now I'm entering the RAM and hit enter. You could see the RAM, the line is highlighted. So let us know how to do this. Firstly, select the data and go to conditional formatting. Click on conditional formatting. Then click on new rule. Enter the new rule and go to the last one. Use a formula to determine which cell. Then give equals. Then here. Then again give equals. Then select any one of the product. So select the product of here. Then remove the $sign for here. And then do the formatting of give green. Then the font bold italic and the fill of is green. Then give OK and here also OK. Now type RAM over here and hit enter. You got the highlighted. Isn't it nice? Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe.